Welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we're gonna have another trading session with binary options on Quotex, the platform I use for trading. The link is gonna be in the description to this video. If you're unfamiliar with the channel, don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. This is gonna be a trading session with the binary options on the platform Quotex, which I usually use. And also in the description there's gonna be a Telegram group with all the useful information, so don't forget to use that as well. Don't forget to join, and let's get to the trading session of today. So today we're gonna start with $50 and we're gonna see how far can we get with that. So let's, without further ado, we're gonna use a Donchian channel here, and with that we're going to make our first option put option for 1 minute, and let's see the result. Here we have our first profit here, and it's $94.50, and we're gonna go with the next currency. I changed the currency here, and let's have a look. That could be another put option here. As you can see, there's a trend going down, so we're gonna try and catch that trend here for the next minute for $90. Let's wait. Here is the second profit of today, is $170, and we're gonna go with the next option for $170 using the compound percentage. This works. As you can see, we started with $50, already we have 170 using the entirety of our, you see this trend here, downtrend, so the price is going down, so we're gonna have another put option here. The Donchian channel clearly shows us where the price is going at the moment, and it's a clear indication, so be sure to use these indications. If you're unfamiliar with how they work or how to read the graphic and how to read the indications, be sure to join the group in Telegram, and there's a lot of information about that, about indications, oscillators, about patterns, and just useful stuff in general. So be sure to join that group. It's well worth it. And I'm gonna wait the rest of the time for our option. And here is the profit. It's $322 already. So we're going to have a $320 option next. And let's have a look at the next currency, this one here, and I see another downtrend here actually, but let's see what happens just now. Okay, we're gonna go with this put option. And here is the profit. It's $600. So, I mean, in total it's $600. It was $590 something. Excuse me. So, let's check out the next option, and I'm gonna go with $600. There's another downtrend here, to be honest. We're gonna go with a put option here. I like this indicator because it shows it in a way of triangles, and triangles usually work well when working with graphs. So be sure to check out the Donchian channel if you're unfamiliar. Again, the Telegram group will explain. Also, we're going to make a series of videos explaining all the indicators, and that way it will be easier for you to understand. Here we have our first great profit of $1,130 here. So the next option is obviously going to be for $1,000, as the maximum is in the investment is the 1,000. So we're going to make the next option of that maximum amount. And this is how basically the compound percentage works. Okay, so this here is actually another pattern. We're gonna go with a put option here. This is the line. If we would draw a line across the top, we would see that there is the two peaks would touch that line. So right now it's trying to break through the resistance line, so-called, we would call it the resistance line, the one we draw horizontally at the top of the two peaks, and we would see that if it breaks through that line, it's going to be an upward trend. But right now, if it tries to break it, but it might not break it, and that would be the failed test of the line. So I'm expecting it to drop. Ooh, that was close. So we have a profit, but it was really close, because 1 minute time is pretty volatile. So let's go to the next one and let's have a look here. What's happening here? Look, like globally I see a downtrend, so I'm gonna go with the put option here for $2,000 now. Here is the profit, guys. We have $3,000 already here, and the total amount is $3,764. So this is how the compound percentage works, by using the entirety of our balance, or our fresh made balance. We can get some good amounts. Here I'm gonna go with 3,000 put option, because again the trend is going down. We clearly see the Donchian channel is showing us the downtrend. So therefore we're gonna make a put option. That's the basics of trying to read the graphs. So globally, I mean, obviously the volatility of it is, it can behave differently in such a short time, but this is the thought that I get from the indications of Donchian channel, the trend going down. So we're gonna have to look at it, see the indication, and make the right decision, which never 100% never is correct, but there we have the correct ones. It's 5,000 plus of the profit, and in total it's $6,374 already on the balance. So I'm gonna go and reach to the next one. Okay, so what I see here again is something that was testing the resistance line, yeah, and that it didn't break it through. So we see that the price, that it bounces off that resistance line, and yeah, so that there is the 5,000 put option coming from. So let's wait for the result. Here is the profit. If we look at our balance, it's gonna go up to $10,724 already. I just want to remind you that we started with $50. This doesn't happen every day, every time, because never is 100%. But I mean, some sessions can be like that, can be pretty profitable. So, you see this also, this resistance line as well. So we're gonna go and make another option for 5,000, another put option, because what I see is similar situation. I see that there is a resistance line, and I'm expecting the price to bounce off that. So we have 2 minutes, by the way, now, because 1 minute might be not enough for the price to go up, to go where we need it to go. Yeah. So this here is how I work. So we could draw this line at the top, the resistance line, but not every time you need to draw it. Actually, it's maybe if you want to show it, you can draw it, but basically that's it. And it doesn't have to go cent in cent, the peaks, but right now we can see that it bounced off. This is a repeating pattern. It bounced off, and the price is going down at the moment. So we'll see the result. Here is our profit, guys, and it's gone up to 15,274. So let's go to this next one here. I'm gonna make a quick one for 30 seconds and a quick put option here. Yes, we just had this crazy little option there. We go for another one. Let's do one more here. This is a similar situation. So a quick 3,000 put option for 30 seconds only. Okay, we have the profit, guys. We have the profit now. So in total we had 19,624. We're gonna stop here. This was a good session. I'm sure you'll agree. If you like the content, please consider subscribing, give us a like, leave us a comment, and I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video with all the useful information. Good luck and goodbye.